Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm showing you how to get this natural look in only 5 minutes. Yes, you did hear that right, only 5 minutes. So we're going to be using these products right here to achieve a very natural look. And starting off, we're going to be using primer. We're just going to apply that all over, and it is a mattifying primer that I picked up at Target. And then we're just moving on to concealer, and honestly I'm just putting this under my eyes, but you can definitely use it to cover any dark marks as well. And then I'm just going to blend that out. And since we aren't using any foundation in this tutorial, you definitely want to make sure to just bring it all the way down and to really just blend out those edges. So moving on, we're going to take some translucent powder just to set that concealer, and I actually use the translucent powder all over my face just because, you know, we're not using any foundation, and it is a way for me to set my primer as well in the places that I don't have concealer. So it just kind of acts as another reinforcement so I don't get oily, because I do have oily skin. And you can just see here that literally just taking that all over. Now this next step is optional. I don't do this all the time, but this is just another setting powder that I'm just going to dust all over my face. If I'm really in a rush, I will skip this part. It's definitely not necessary, especially if you do not have this product. You can just totally skip it. But if you want to have some sort of reinforcement, just go ahead and dust all over your face. So we are now moving on to the brows, and this is one of my favorite ways to do my brows, is to just use an eyeshadow palette, mix some colors. As you can see here, I'm just mixing a brown and a black shade, and it really helps me in getting my brows done really quickly. You can also do this step with an eyebrow pencil, but for me it just takes a little bit longer to do that, so I prefer this method. So moving on from the brows, we have mascara. Honestly, no look is complete without mascara, and I am just going to be applying this to the top and bottom lashes just to really open up the eyes, since I'm not using any eyeshadow or eyeliner or anything like that. Moving on from mascara, we just have some lip balm here that I'm going to be applying just to moisturize the lips, and then this one does have a little bit of a tint to it, so definitely helps with that kind of no makeup look and keeping things natural. And then this step here is also optional. I of course just do this whenever I have a little bit more time, but I'm just going to be applying some bronzer to my face, and that really helps to bring warmth to your face, which you don't really have to do this step since we didn't use that much makeup at all, but I was just, you know, kind of wanted to do a little something extra today. And then we're just going to set everything with some setting spray so we can just lock in all of the fabulousness. And you guys, that is it. This is the finished look achieved in just about 5 minutes. Perfect for days where you just don't have the time to do a full makeup routine. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.